Do you find that managements of formerly public companies, through force of habit perhaps, have more trouble making decisions with only minimal concern for short-term results than would be the case for formerly private companies? If this dynamic is a real one, is there something more that can be done to combat it? And I'm curious, are most of Berkshire's compensation structures based on 12-month results, or are they already based over multi-year periods?
Yeah, I don't think we've had any particular problem with public companies versus private companies that we bought. I mean, I think if you took the aggregate of the public companies we bought and matched them up against the private companies, I don't know which group I would rather own or which has delivered the greater returns.
I don't know where he gets the idea.
Yeah, I don't
It's
think
not apparent to us.
Yeah, well, you've heard Charlie, and I can't think of it myself. And if we tell them to think about 100 years, we mean think about 100 years, and I think they know we mean it. They certainly know we run Berkshire that, in terms of our own decisions that way. So I think we set the right example, and I think we use the words to convey that belief as strongly as we can, and we try to reinforce we try to put it in the annual report. We try to talk about it in meetings like this. We believe in sort of hammering the same message out there over and over again. Now, we don't ignore yearly results at all. It's just we don't live by them. But I get figures every month on virtually every business, and I read them with great interest, and I'm thinking about them all the time. I don't think they're unimportant, but we don't live by them. And I think what really counts, is where we're going to be 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years from now. But I also, I wouldn't, if we're subpar in some area, I wouldn't accept the fact that we're working to maximize things in 10 years mean that we should be throwing away money or anything like that in the short run, or not paying attention to the business. But I'd have to say what Charlie has. I don't really agree with the premise on.